main task is to maintain operational excellence, including supply chain, production, process, maintenance, EHS, and related departments. With the cooperation of this department to achieve low COGS and stable quality, and achieve high customer satisfaction, and improve the competition of Dinex on the back end. I think Dinex is a very good platform for people to show their value. Dinex is open and free to show their opinion and also discuss problems freely. My favorite part, I think, is the process of solving problem, because during this process, I can learn a lot of things and also get the sense of achievement. I think work is part of life. I think I enjoy the work in Dinex with my colleagues with very good relationship, and also I'm very excited to know the oncoming days China for me.